Okay, so to start, I couldn't find the products in this database, so 我就自己出我的 product. Okay, so product A, assuming that this is the product that they want to do packaging. Okay, now product B is the packaging that they are buying.
Yes.
Okay, so product C in manufacturing module is basically I take product A, combine with product B to become product C. Okay. In manufacturing, there is two way of creating the BOM list. Okay. So I have either a manufacturing BOM or a kit BOM. Okay. Manufacturing BOM, basically, I think it entails some real processes to merge the two products to come up with the finalized product. Okay. A kit, right, is basically just arbitrarily I combine the two products. For example, in a furniture shop, 我可以卖桌子，我可以卖椅子 but I can sell it as a table with chair set. So in this case, right, a tables with chair set is a kit because it requires no manufacturing. I just arbitrarily combine the table and chair to come up with this new product set. Okay. So in this scenario, right, my BOM kit for product C is actually a kit. So I will have product A and product B. And whenever I have a sales order, right, the system will, based on this BOM list, create the product C out of nowhere, in a way. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now let's go and look at the sales order. Okay. Right. So in sales order, I will use product C name. Okay. So in the tables and chairs scenario, right, then this will be table and chair sets. Okay. So 我买5个 right? Okay. Sorry, 我的 customer 要5个. Okay. So in the DO, it won't say one table and chair set, but instead you list out one table and maybe 4 chairs, something like that. Okay. So in this case, because in a more scenario, one product to one packaging. So it's 5 product and 5 packaging. And this is how the DO will look like.
Okay.
Okay. Then once I validate this DO, right, system will cut stock from product A and product B. Product C being arbitrary, I set it as consumable. No inventory is created or modified in this case. So that solves the problem of their requirement where they want to have the finalized product but cut stock from the two raw product and the packaging. Yeah.
Okay, then product C come then product C 就不会有一个 inventory 一个keep track of 那个 inventory.
Don't keep track of inventory because it will come out on demand. Let me show you in terms of how the sales order work. Okay. Let me just confirm my stock first. Product. Okay. So in product A, right? 我是 storable 啦，所以他们买那个货进来的时候是 storable 嘛 ，that's their scenario. Okay. And I modify it to be, I take out can be sold so that this will never appear in their sales order so that they won't choose wrongly. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then product B will be the same. Where is my, okay, 这边. Okay. B will be the same thing. Packaging, right? So it will be also not in the, it will not be listed out when they do a sales order. Okay. And then product C, it can be sold. Okay. By right, this is a consumable product, but that day I was testing around to see any impact between storable and consumable. I think consumable will be safer. Okay. Then the only difference is under the inventory tab, right? I just need to turn on this manufacturing. Okay. Then that will be the idea already. So let's do a sales order. to cut stock. Okay, B I got 15 pieces. Okay, A I got 0, so I'm gonna increase my quantity first to, let's say, another 10. Okay, so now A I got 10 pieces, B I got 15. So I'm just gonna raise the sales order for 10 pieces of C. Okay, so 我就来这边orders. Okay, 10 pieces. Okay, so I just confirm this order, right? Then 我的 DO 出来的时候哦，它就是这样。I got product A, product B. Okay. Now, let me create a tab first, and I show you the journal entries at this point in time, so that we can see what are the journal entries created later. Accounting, journal entries, and I take out. Okay, posted 是 OK 的。Okay. So today is the 29, right? So it's good thing that we haven't touched this database for the past few days. So this is the first journal entry posted today. Okay. This is because I added stock. Okay. 我加了十个product A. That's why I got this valuation. Okay. So right now let me go and validate my this PO. Okay. So this will be their product and this will be the packaging. Okay. And then I just validate this. Okay. Confirm this item order by. Okay, 不用紧. I think I don't know why I got this SMS thing coming out. Okay, so I have already delivered my product C. Okay. How do I know that I've delivered? Because I have cut my stock, and if I were to come to my sales order list, right? Sales order 2 is to invoice, so it's just waiting for invoice. Okay. And if I were to come in here and create an invoice, okay, it is actually quoting product C as the invoice. Okay. Now let's go back to the journal entries. Okay. Early on I have this. Okay. So now I got 2 more entries coming in. Okay. 6, right, is for product A. Okay. So it cut 10 pieces from A. So this is the journal entry. And then the next journal entry, right, is for product B. Okay. Right. So I think this kind of fulfill their requirement from what I understand from your conversation. The only concern is the DO, where you will not show the product C, but you will show product A and product B.
Okay.
问题对呀，有
So 这
comment？
个要问他们的。
Wendy, do you have comments? What's that? Okay, so I think maybe Casey 啊，如果你是那个 business owner 或者你是那个 salesman 啊，I think 你不要这样做嘞，因为 at the end of the day 我们卖出去那个 DO 啊，呃我们不需要去 identify 这个是那个 packaging material 或者 raw material。In fact, actually 这个你刚刚做的这个是 quite simplify，因为它的那个 product A 是 for example 是 raw material，它 in fact actually 还有什么 filling material，then 还有不懂什么 material，then the last part 是那个 packaging material。所以如果是这样的话呢，如果 based on 你这个 product C，then 还有那个things that is listed on 那个 DO 出去to 那个 customer at the end of the day then 可能就会有 one whole list of all these ingredients and 就你 somewhat 你的 scenario 就是 product A and B listing on the DO 嘛。So I think this is not really what we they can accept 啦。因为 at the end of the day 要让就好像你现在去 GNC 买一个supplement，那个 supplement 也是 make 到很多个 vitamin A、vitamin B multivit 啦，有10个 ingredient，我的 DO 不可能 list out 10个 ingredient 嘛，还有那个还有那个 packaging 对不对
Okay.
so cannot be the
Yeah,
case
I know what you are driving at, but 因为那天 Wendy 跟我讲的时候哦，是他只是要把他的 product send for packaging, as in, to me it's like putting in a box or putting up some wrappings.
yes
Okay,
correct
so this is the solution to that scenario. But 假如真
understand
的是 like 刚才你讲的哦， that one may need to do a bomb list as manufacturing rather than a kit.
yeah it
Yeah,
may be the
and
case
yeah, and because that's why 我就说咯，我这个 kit 的 solution 哦，it will satisfy most part except for the DO. 假如他们真的是不可以接受哦，我们就有可能要 look at customizing the report for them already. But that one will have extra charges.
yeah
Yeah.
I think I don't think that they will mind the customization and cost. 但是 I think at the end of the day, maybe 现在最容易to to meet 他们的 requirement 就是那个 manufacturing 嘛，因为是 at the end of the day 他们 actually technically 不需要去 monitor 啊有多少个packaging material that is actually balanced 他们in some sense 因为他送来的时候，他们就要知道多少个product C 嘛。
把他们有讲说他们要 monitor 他们的 packaging material 嘞。
OK，
他们要
我
monitor as in 他们要 monitor as in 送过去多少但是他送回来，that means sorry，我应该讲的是他们要 monitor 的是剩下多少在那一边他没有 pack into product C。If I understand correctly that means 他们他们现在就是那个台湾 factory 有maybe 现在他们买了1000个 packaging material 送过去，then 他们那个台湾 factory 就会送过来500粒，then 下个月又 send 一个800粒，sorry 300粒，then 一个亿他们就剩下那个 factory 里面就剩下200个 packaging material，that's 说他们只是要知道剩下多少个 packaging 200个 packaging material。
OK, if this is the scenario 哦，then 有可能我们根本都不要做 manufacturing 了，which means
I
that they
think
can
so.
individually keep track of product A and packaging. Okay, then they can have the finalized product as a product itself. Okay, but 每次他们做这个 packaging process 哦，it will be a little manual, which means that they just cut a DO for the packaging material with the product A. Okay, no 怎么讲 no sales order, no purchase order. It's just a delivery order so that system can cut stock from inventory. Okay, then when the packaging process is done, right, they manually update product C, which is the finalized product quantity, and then from there they will cut a sales order for the customer order, so that this will circumvent the entire process without additional cost.
Okay, so I think I understand 刚刚讲的 point but 我不懂是怎样做在这边but it
Okay.
works，你懂它 works 就好。
Let me just show you. Okay. So assuming, okay, 我来这边啊 ，inventory right。I need to add some stock first，因为我没有货了。Okay, sorry. EDT 05 Okay, I'm just gonna do 5 here. Okay. New 加多5个。This time around, I'm just gonna do 3. Okay, so that we can kind of see what happens. So in inventory, right? Okay, 每当他们要做这个 process 哦，他们就要自己做一个 DO 出来。I would think it's in trading orders 啊，因为它太多 warehouse 了，所以我也不晓得谁是谁。But let's do it here. Okay， 对，应该是这边。So instead of cutting a DO or instead of cutting a sales order or anything, right? I just come into inventory overview. Okay, let me just do it again. Inventory overview, look for DO. 它有很多 DO 的 boxes. Okay, I would think that it is trading product because when I go in, right, I saw my 2 sales order here, so it has to come from here. Okay. Then delivery address 你放不放都不用紧啦。Okay. The most important here is I will say product A. Okay. So they can include as much raw material as they want. Okay. Done will be 3. Okay. Whichever number that they need to kind of send to the person to do the packaging process. Okay. Okay. So this will cut stock and it also allow them a form of documentation to know that they actually send this number of stock out to the supplier to do the wrapping, the packaging process. Okay. So 我回来我的 inventory 我的 journal entry. Okay. Product A, product B. 为什么没有 Let me refresh it. Okay. So 这个就是我的刚刚做的journal entry. Okay. 三个。Right. 3 pieces. Then this is another 3 pieces. Okay. So after this, then they will manually update their stock again. Okay. So 我回来So when the packaging process is done, right? Okay. Lucky this is in a storable product. So I can say after that, I just update 3 pieces here. Okay. Then I apply. 没有咩 Sorry, 我忘记 set. No. I think I know why. Because I set my inventory wrongly. Okay, let me just
cannot buy
this.
cannot sell you.
Yeah, because 这个是一个 can be manufactured product. Okay, so I will change this out. Okay, to call it final product rather than product C. Because 我这边我已经弄了这样，所以it will affect the listing in my DO. Okay, but I can't change. Actually 我可以but it's gonna mess up this whole system Okay, 不用紧了，我们就这样So 我就回来我的 products，跟我的 product C。So now I can update quantity already, I think. New. 哎呀，还是不可以What's wrong Storable product. Okay, I think I'm not going to troubleshoot here. Okay, I'm just going to create one new product and call and replace it. Okay. We call this, right? Okay, so assuming that 我那边已经做好了哦，所以我就来 update 这边的 quantity。Okay. 3个。Okay. Then 我就可以去我的 sales order 来cut stock 了咯。So back to my journal entry, right? Okay. OK, C 是没有东西，因为我还没有放 costing 进去。Cost, let's say this is $50. Okay. So 假如我回来这边的话，okay, never mind. Let's just go to my sales order and I create the stock. Okay. So I'm using this one. Okay. Then I confirm. 为什么我这边没有货 I think I know why. Hang on, let me just go and 我知道为什么我 journal entry 没有东西了。Quantity 这边没有 apply 到。Okay, so if I were to go back to my accounting, journal entries 还是没有出来。A bit weird, but let's see my sales order. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, then 我就来我 DO 咯。Okay, so 我跳来跳去but the in between step 你们不用管它先。Okay, so which means that I have my product A and product B. I do a combined DO. Then now in product C, right? I update the quantity after I have sent to the supplier to do the packaging and I receive the stock back from them. Okay, so that I have enough stock in my sales order to raise a sales order and have a DO. So this will be the DO that they will see. Okay, so this part will alleviate that issue lah, where it doesn't show the actual product. Okay, 那我就 validate 了。Okay, then 应该假如我回来我的journal entries 的话 this will be correct already. 为什么我的 product 是没有出来啊？I need to check on the stock journal part. I'm not too sure why the journal entries never come out.
Okay.
But by right, if everything is set properly, right, 它会出来的。
OK，那刚才你讲那个 product C 哦，when 他们要去 update 那个 quantity 的时候，那边有一个 cost 要 update，所以它的 cost 它要得 manually 算是多少钱是否这个 cost，这样了是吗？
对
所以这
对，
个也是
他要 manually cost 这边要算了。对
所以他就要知道他的 raw material 多少钱，然后他的 packaging material 多少钱，然后他就要讲，他就要去 manually 算他这个 product C 到底是多少钱，他才可以 update 在这个 cost 里面。如果他用这个 method，是吗？
对，要不然他就把 product C raise a PO to the packaging supplier, the one that do the packaging. Then she just receiving the product C. But the cut stock from product A, product B has to be a manual process.
Actually, I thought that is the case 嘞，因为 I thought when 他收到货的时候maybe when they clarify me if I'm correct me if I'm wrong when 他收到货 from 那个 单位 factory 的时候，那个 item 就只是 show the final product which is the dollar value of whatever not. Obviously plus manufacturing services and all those things 啦。
因为他收到那个 invoice from 他的 manufacturing 的时候，manufacturer，然后你是讲他when他 manually compute，他可以用那张 invoice 来 compute 他的 cost 是多少？
Yeah,
Go backwards
obviously,
啊
yeah, 对，那个 bill 的 total value divided by number of quantity，然后再 probably 再加上 packaging material which they actually paid up front.
嗯
But
，OK，
obviously we are simplifying things because we are just talking about one item.
呀，
因为他那时候跟我们讲他们的全部的inventory list 全部都是这个 pattern 只
哦，对，
有只有一两个不是
只有
这个 pattern，
一个，只有一
就一个。
个是来
，I
就是
think
直接买
in
的
that case we may need to involve Kenny in a meeting with them 因为 I think this requirement wasn't translated to Kenny at all.
哦
嗯，
，OK， so you think 用那个 manufacturing 的 module with proper setup will be will definitely kill the issue 啦。
Um,
哦，
it may not be as simple then because what we have set up in the inventory, the list of products in the inventory, right? It could be their finalized product. Then now we have to revisit and work backwards on what are their raw materials, and then it won't be a simple process. That's why 我才建议把 Kenny 拉进来， then 我们一起跟 Amos 他们 discuss see what exactly is their process.
呀
OK，好
，I think
，OK
that would be good 呀
，Yeah，I think it's easier that way。
呀，
Yeah,
agree。
because it seems like this requirement wasn't translated. Also, our recommendation is totally out now.
Yeah, because 我也是那时候我 text 你的时候，也是那天才知道他们 almost 90% 的 product 都是这样，for 他们的
Yeah.
trading product。So we are quite shocked also 啦。So 我也不知道 how to proceed，我只是在想办法看他怎样帮他们。But 如果你说需要 meet up with them again to understand 那个 requirement，then have to do it 咯，没有办法。
Yeah, no choice 啊，这个好像是 totally out, so 我们很难在后面try to fix the shape already.
Yeah, I think we are all trying to help to 看怎样可以用 system 来 circumvent 他们这些东西，but
Yeah. 他们每个几个星期出一个 surprise.
yeah, so 哎呀，OK 啦，说这样的话，我们这样的话，I think 是要 arrange 一个 Zoom meet 呢，还是什么？
I think a Zoom should be sufficient.
嗯
Um, I will just give Kenny a tinker first then maybe 你直接跟他安排时间比较容易一点，因为他的时间蛮 tight 的，so it's easier for you to match his. I mean 你们两个一起 discuss 的时候 match 那个 timing rather than I come in as a middleman.
No problem，I think 我会直接用那个 chat group 咯，那个 Aimous Udu 的那个 chat group，因为那个 Aimous team 他们也在里面嘛，so everybody is in
对
at the time，yeah。
Yeah, better that way. 因为
Yeah,
我
so
下个礼拜会有2个礼拜不在新加坡so it's
OK
easier to get Kenny involved. Yes.
OK，
嗯
OK，好，所以这样，yeah 啦，let me arrange for that 啦。
Yeah, seems like they have to delay their go live date again.
no
上
choice no choice。
头，
Yeah, 哎，我们还以为上岸了嘞。
我
So
也是以为突然间用这个东西爆出来。
Yeah. So I think with 这些东西 in play right. So I think we 当然要 probably 那个 commercial part 就叫 can you up 的true up 的package price 咯。So that
Yes.
yeah, I think
Yeah.
yeah. So when 你跟 Kenny give him a heads up 的时候那你跟他讲这些东西，then 我们给他们一个号码，then 我们at the end of the day 最好 I still would want to suggest that 可不可以进去 EDG grant and all those things， then 就可以更better fulfill 那个 situation。
Yeah, correct.
嗯
Because it doesn't sound like a simple solution anymore. I would
Yeah, process
foresee
seems to
quite
be
a
quite
fair bit of
complicated.
customization. Yes.
Yeah. So
嗯
最好就you know balloon it then 就可以更多 grant
嗯
yeah things like that， 帮他们一下啦。
，Yeah 咯。I mean 可以啦，可以帮啦，只是说真的要他们show hand what exactly other things that they have, then 我们一次过 settle 到完。
对咯，对咯。
Yeah 咯，要不然Wendy 迟早变成5度 expert 了。
No issue issue。
如果我真的是变成expert，我真的是靠他们吧。Thanks to all them 啊。
True true。好的好的，I'll just give Kenny a heads up first, then we arrange a meeting in the group chat 咯。
好好，可以，
Yeah
我也
啦。
让他们知道一下的 situation now 啦。
好的。So 这个 recording 我暂时 stop, but I don't think we can let them see this recording anymore.
Yes, cannot. Yeah.
Yeah. 好的。It will be just between the few of us.
Yeah, correct. 我们的语。
I'll send you the recording once I compile into a YouTube link.
Sure. Thanks, Casey.
好的，OK，拜拜。
拜拜。